Today we are gonna make Mr. McGregor's carrot garden.
This is my little sister Radit, and I'm Jessica with Angels Grove. And so from the book, Peter Rabbit, we're going to be making Mr. McGregor's carrot garden, where there's no rabbits allowed. This is the perfect project for Easter that's coming up. I found a couple supplies at Hobby Lobby that I thought would be perfect to make this little project with, I guess. So we have this little basket here. It has a white little picket fence, which is a big part of the book. We just have some carrot seeds. Found this little moss bunny figurine. We have a little chalkboard sign that we're going to hang on our basket just for an added touch. And then some other supplies you're going to need for this is cheesecloth or burlap, both would work, or a decorative fabric of some sort. And then a plastic liner. We're going to just be using a gallon Ziploc bag and some scissors. So first we're going to take this cheesecloth and we're going to line the outside of this. There's a lot of holes in this basket and you don't want to just have your plastic liner showing. And we're going to be using the plastic liner in order to protect the wooden basket from water damage. So take a good amount of cheesecloth out, or burlap, whatever you're using. This is pretty big. We're going to spread this out and fold it halfway down here to try to thicken that up a little bit. Once we have that in there, you can see that's kind of our background. We're going to take the Ziploc bag and put it in here and then cut off the excess plastic. And I are going to fill this up with some dirt. Now we're going to plant our carrot seeds. So with this project, the foliage is going to be what is the decor and what you can see. So it's okay to plant these closer than you would for your carrots, and as time goes on you can thin them out, and that will allow for better germination rates and a higher chance of actually getting carrots, as well as making it look nicer. And then this is the perfect size for carrots, and so after a while these carrots will be about baby carrot length or a little bit bigger. They won't be full grown, but we'll be able to pick them and use them in salads. To make little trenches, and you don't want to plant them very deep. This one, and I guess it depends on your variety too, but this one you're only going to be planting a ½ inch into the soil. And so we're going to make little lines here. These seeds are really tiny, so don't worry. Like I said, you can always thin them out later. Just try to spread the seeds out as best you can. Care for this, to start it off, we're going to spray it with a spray bottle. You want to make sure it's on a fan setting and then you just want to mist the top. You don't want to pour water on this because the seeds are so small and they'll spread around. So we're just going to start by misting the top of the soil here. You really want to make sure that the top is saturated and down to where the seeds are. So that should soak up and that should be good. And then you can finish off by putting your decorations on. For maintaining this and for helping it grow, you can put it next to a sunny window, or if you have a greenhouse, or whatever sunny place that you have that this will get a lot of sunlight for, and then keep misting it every day just to keep it watered, and eventually your carrots will start to come up, and we will do a maintaining video later on. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this project, and show us your pictures of your own McGregors garden. So thank you. Bye.
Today we are going to do some succulent planting and for Easter, and I don't know what to say.